Hi guys, this is an absolute tasty meal, quick and easy with a Ninja air fryer. You've got your golden chips, French fries, whatever you call them. You can have other thicker chips, but I love these French fries. These will take about 15 minutes in the Ninja. This is absolute tasty. Get yourself one of these curries that you put in the microwave. It takes about 15 minutes altogether, 9 minutes first, and then you add on another 3 minutes after it's cooked. I do like my old ketchup. Hold on guys. I love ketchup. I think we nearly finished the ketchup. Ketchup, come out! Here we go. A little bit of ketchup, guys, just to give it a little bit of a zing. And literally, just pour it over your chips. And that is an absolutely quick and tasty meal, believe me. Absolutely gorgeous. Chips and curry. Awesome, guys. You can put it on the side if you want, but I like it all on top because I mix it together and it is absolutely tasty. Thanks for watching, guys. Awesome. So don't forget the old Ninja fryer and your microwave. They work absolutely both together. I never cook with a microwave. I always just heat up jacket potatoes, things like this. But I do cook with the Ninja, and it saves you putting the oven on, and it's very quick. And look at those crunchy chips. Beautiful golden chips. Absolutely beautiful. Yummy, yum, yum. Crunchy. Lovely. Thanks guys. Catch you soon.